Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 18.3 on Linux Mint 22. Either it may be 22, 22.1, 22.2, 22.3 or later version of Linux Mint. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Now go to PostgreSQL official website. It is PostgreSQL.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 18.3. Click on this download or download, both are same. Then click on Linux. Then see here, we don't have the Linux Mint, but open terminal. See here, its ID is like Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. So click on this Ubuntu. Run these commands one by one. See here, the PostgreSQL apt repository supports the current version of Ubuntu. See here, we have the 24.04. We have to run these commands one by one. So copy this one. See, these three commands imports the repository signing key. Next, it will create the repository configuration file. Then we have to update the package list. Then we have to install PostgreSQL Server. So run these commands one by one. Paste it, hit enter. For the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. See the error, repository doesn't have the release file. So instead of here Xena, because see here version code name is Xena. Okay, so instead of this Xena we have to give Noble. So copy this file one more time, paste it, then from this version code up to keep this $, then give Noble and hit enter. Now update the packages. I just see here, I have removed this $version code name and I have given this $Noble. Okay, so update packages again, sudo apt update. Also remove the $, and hit enter. Now update the packages again. See, this time we haven't received any error. Okay, so we have successfully imported the repository configuration file and update the packages. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. If you want to install 17, you need to give 17. If you want to install latest version, so give 18. It will install latest version. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18 and these dependencies. Okay, type A for confirmation and hit enter. See, we are installing PostgreSQL Server 18.3. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL Server 18.3 and see here the default value is max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, and this is the default time zone, and this is the data directory. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL Server service is active and its service status is enabled. Quit to quit. Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server, but this is not the version of the PostgreSQL. It is psql client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18.3. Quit to quit. Control A. the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for super user, that is Postgres. Okay, first we have a list of users. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having these roles. It is super user. Okay, or we can get the list of the users by running select username from pg underscore user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Hit enter. Alter all means we have executed above alter statement successfully. Now verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL server installation. Q to kit. You can also get the same. Select dat name from pg underscore database. See, got the same. Okay, control A. Now create database. See, you have created database bank, and this is the one of this database. Q to quit. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use \c or connect, then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Now create table and insert some data into this table. See, we have created table customer in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we will create user. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server to this new user. To exit, we have to use \q psql-h, which means hostname localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps. Then new username is David. -d means database Postgres. Then provide the password of this newly created user David. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is a password. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. We can also verify the same by running following select statement. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to connect to database that you have created. See, you are now connected to database bank as user David. Now try to run the query against the table that is there in this database. See, permission needed for table customer, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart PostgreSQL server 18.3 on Linux Mint operating systems. Can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit. Sudo systemctl control A, stop PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. We have stopped it 8 seconds ago. Q to quit, control A. You can also verify the same by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we are unable to connect. So exit from the Postgres user. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service active and we have started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. We have restarted. See, okay. Until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or db1. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux Mint operating systems. I have already installed pgadmin. Let me open pgadmin and connect to PostgreSQL server. Now click on this add new server or right click on these servers, then register, then select server. Both options are same. Now provide name can be anything. Then go to connection tab. Here we have to fill all the details. Host name or address, local host is fine because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC, this machine. Port number 5432, maintenance database same, user Postgres, then provide the password of this user. Not only Postgres, you can give whatever the user that exists on the PostgreSQL server. Then click on save. See, successfully connected. Expand the connection, expand databases. See, here we have the database bank. If you want to run queries against this database, click on it, then right click, then select this query tool. Now we can perform the queries. Select star from customer, select the query and click on this execute button. See, got the same. Okay, if you go to logins and roles, see here we have the user David. You can also create database from here as well. Right click, create, then create database testdb. Just you need to select these definition default parameters. Okay, then click on save. See, new database is created. See, here we have their database. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18.3 in Linux Mint 22.3. Then we have seen how to connect from psql client and pgadmin. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.